What it do, guys? For all my new subscribers, was popping. You feel me? And for the one that been there, mad love, yo. I appreciate y'all. For real. How y'all doing, man? I hope y'all doing alright. You know, I hope y'all keep praying. I hope y'all still having faith. You know what I mean? All the above, you know what I mean? I hope y'all good out there, for real, man. But today, right now, I'm cleaning up my. You know, I'm putting new parts on my baby. You know what I mean? So, I just got some wheels, some tires that has the Lowrider logos on it. Cause the ones I had before didn't have Lowrider logos on it. But I just got some right now that has the Lowrider logos used, and I'm cleaning them up. And I'm thinking about putting a bumper too on my baby. So you know, we're gonna see what's good. You know, I'm gonna show y'all right now real quick. So I'm cleaning right now. Y'all already know the process. You know, Ajax, the wire brush. You know, I got a video on this. You know, y'all wanna go check it out later. You know what I mean? For my new subscribers that haven't seen it yet. But yeah, I got them right here, cleaning them up. I got the baby over there chilling. You know what I mean? So, you know what I mean? We're gonna show y'all. You know what I mean? How to put a bumper on. You know, for the ones that's been, you know, trying to put a bumper on, whatever, you know what I mean, how it's gonna look, you know. So yeah, I got that right now, you know, I'm cleaning. That's how I do it. That's how I clean them. Ajax, wire brush, water, simple, you know what I mean. It's not gonna look white, but it's gonna still give it that clean, you know, that clean old school look, you know what I mean. Clean old school look, you know. Lowrider, baby. Alright, so this is what I'm gonna put on it today. I might think you know me want a bumper. I might put a bumper on him, on the baby. I'm gonna put this on it, you know, Lowrider connection sprocket, but not today though. I ain't gonna put it on today though. There's gonna be another time. You know what I mean? So you see the sprocket on this one? It's like the same thing though, but you know what I mean, a little out of date. And the chain, getting a new chain. Well, I just ordered the chain. I just received it. You know, it's gonna be. I'm gonna have a nice gold chain. You know, pretty cool. What y'all think about the chain? I'm gonna go on it. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do right now. You know, so I'm gonna install, you know, a bumper on my baby and the new wheels that, you know what I mean, I got out here. What I got out here, you know what I mean? Drying away at the sun. Alright, so y'all know the remember my other bike, the twisted black one, you know what I mean, with the AK-47 chain guard. That shit, hold on, let me see. This baby right here. So you know how like 2-3 videos ago, you know, I got the, you know, the grips, you know what I mean, the put in the sissy bar, you know what I mean, and the pedals. But y'all don't see no pedals, right? Y'all don't see them, right? So, you know what I mean, was riding it around, you know what I mean, hear noise on the floor. I don't know, man, I don't know. Look, just came apart, bro. Like, would I recommend this pedals? I don't know, man. For real, I don't know. Cause them shits failed on me, bro. That shit, you know what I mean? It was no good, bro. You know what I mean? I think they're only for show bikes, but I heard that you could ride them too. You know what I mean? But I don't know, man. You know what I mean? I know it can be fixed, you know, but let me know how, man. Let me know how, man. I'm trying to get this shit done, bro. I'm trying to get this shit fixed or something. You know. I don't know, man. I ain't like that. I ain't like what happened, you know what I mean? Shit was no good, man. Shit, I had to walk the rest of the way home, you feel me? Nah, but I had to use this part just to ride this shit. But this shit wildin', bro. You know what I mean? It's no good. Would I ever recommend those? Nah, I won't. You know what I mean? Maybe I had a bad set, but nah, man. Should have bought a old school one. You feel me? Should didn't even last. This didn't even. It only lasted one ride, bro. Only one ride. Ain't lasted a couple rides. Just one ride. That shit, bing bang. That shit came apart. Crazy, but it's cool though. It's cool though. I mean, learn my lesson. Alright, so when I put in the bumper, right? I want to make sure that I got everything in place. Y'all want to make sure y'all got this, right? Always. In your hands. I mean, do one side first though, cause she's a pain in the ass. So I'll do one side first. Not tight, just to have it on. Then I'm gonna come on the other side, do the same thing on the other side. You know. And usually there, I go by, you know, this is the 15. Like I can see it. Let's see. Hopefully I can see it at 15. You know. But you want to hold it because it's going to be moving like crazy. So you want to hold it in place wherever you want it at. You know, see my that's how like my right there. If y'all can see, that's how I like my fender to be. You know, I like it low, you feel me, right there. I mean, for the wheels, the tires can show more. You know, that's how I rock it. You feel me? So that's how we're gonna, you know, go. We're gonna go about it today. But it sucks though, you know what I mean? Cause in the curve, you know what I mean, it's gonna hit the curve. You know what I mean? So I try not to, you know, go down to the curve. You feel me? I try to not even go to the curve at all. You know what I mean? But if anything, I just, you know what I mean, just hold it up. You know what I mean? Just raise it up a little bit. But I'm not trying now. See what I'm talking about? It moves. To move as much. See how it moves? be good. I mean, where I want it to be at. So yeah, it should be good where I want it to be at. I mean, all right, guys, what do you think? Got the bumper on it with the tires, Lowrider logo tires. What y'all think? Let me know what y'all think. Let me know what y'all think. Yeah, so the bumper, I had a, simple. You know what I mean? Nothing crazy to it. Something simple. I think it gives it a huskier look with the Lowrider logo tires. I fuck with it. But thank y'all for watching. I appreciate it. God bless and take care, man. Till the next time. See ya. Peace out.